Russia-Ukraine tensions, China-Taiwan tensions, Fed meeting Wednesday, and Tesla earnings Wednesday. What is this signal for the market? Fear, and more specifically, fear of a market crash. What's up, guys? My name's Kacper. This is TSLAnalysis, and I welcome all you day traders and diamond handers to observe what happened on Monday, January 24th, in anticipation of further outlook. And real quick, let's go over some potential catalysts. So we start with some good news. Starting with bad news is not always the best idea, but we got to be mindful of the bad news because we aren't always going to have a greedy market. So Tesla catalysts, we got Q4 EPS and production roadmap coming up. That will be this Wednesday. Potentially, we got estimates raising and investment grade raises, which did just happen today by Moody's. Is really good. They raised it. It's still a junk rating, but their growth, their outlook for a potential. Here, I'll just pull it up if I could find it. The potential outlook for further improving the rating is pretty good. We got it right here. What they say is they just want Tesla to have a EBITDA margin of at least 7%, excluding emission credits, and just high liquidity and further growth of electric vehicles. It's all pretty simple, as you all can see right here. I don't think I can highlight that. And then we got more product roadmap coming. We got Giga Berlin and Giga Austin opening up pretty soon, hopefully. I would say they might be announced on the earnings call. That's my guess. And then FSD Beta 11 is coming February, and that is going to be game changer. I believe it might take a step back at first because it's a completely new rewrite, so it might take the AI software a little to adjust to some of the new calibrations and stuff like that, but because it's going to be single stack, completely removing the highway driving that they had and just moving forward with the single stack. Tesla's growing their EV adoption. Well, the world's growing the EV adoption, which is great news for Tesla. Also, good news, the FOMC members likely to be less hawkish now because of the uncertainty in the stock market. And as y'all can see, just a lot of good news, like Panasonic with their $700 million investment in 4680s. We talked about that yesterday a little. But what was really cool was Bloomberg had an article, multiple articles stating that Fremont is now the biggest car factory in North America. But the one in China, Giga Shanghai, is even bigger. You got Giga Austin and Giga Berlin, which will be even bigger. Just so much great news for us. But what we got to pay attention to is the fact that, let's look at the chart, how it did yesterday. We opened at 9:04 and closed at 9:30, which is good. We opened up with really good volume. That's always good when volume goes with the price direction. But we were still down negative 1.47% because we closed at 943 the other day, Friday. But we closed above 50 SMA and 200 SMA, which is really good for us. Signals that we could potentially have another good day today, or at least a flat day. All MACD, RSI, and ROC, well, no, actually ROC got better, but MACD and RSI got a little worse, not by much. ATR shows that there's more volatility, but CCI shows that we're really oversold, like really oversold. I looked at the previous times CCI was oversold. Doesn't always show that we're gonna rebound automatically, but what I noticed was the pivot points from the day before, all the ones lower dropped significantly. R3 did go up $9, but the rest of them just off the chart dropping. Resistance and support pretty much the same as the other day, except for support. I got some new supports. They're all weak supports, but the resistance are pretty strong. And then what we got to keep in mind is just the Fed meeting Wednesday. That will be one of, if not the biggest removal of uncertainty in the market, and that might be good or bad. It might signal that we're going to go up or down. So that's it for today, guys. Let me know if you want me to talk about anything specific with regards to Tesla. I will possibly make some more videos regarding the micro of Tesla, more fundamentals than the technicals, but that's for a later date and probably the weekend when earnings comes out. Peace, guys.